It is not a secret that the key to great tasting espresso and coffee is good coffee beans. If you like your coffee drink to be milky, it is also very important to select the right milk. You could have very good coffee beans that could be ruined by bad milk, but you can have regular, ordinary coffee beans but can be upgraded with good milk. Hello and welcome back. Today it's all about taste testing. Now remember, we are doing this so that you don't have to do it. A lot of people in the Philippines, as I recently visited, ask me, what milk should we use for our coffee? Now it all depends on the price point that you are looking for, but here are 5 different brands, and these are generally available in supermarkets and groceries. For the coffee today, I am going to use these beans, which is also local beans from the Philippines. It is Atok Benguet. It is 100% Arabica, single origin, medium roast coffee beans, courtesy of Barista Loft. Once again, thank you for letting me have these, and I really like the taste of this coffee. Let's take a look at these 5 brands here. I have here Arla, which I found is very commonly used in coffee shops in the Philippines. This says 100% milk goodness. And I have here Emborg, which is full cream milk. This is Jolly Cow, fresh milk. This is Jersey full cream milk, and this is Alaska fresh milk. So 5 different brands here. In terms of price, they range from about 74 pesos to 93 or 99 pesos. For the taste testing today, I am going to be joined by Christiana, who will help me with determining which of these are good enough or which is the best one among these. And we're going to start by taste testing plain, just the milk itself, and then we are going to add my freshly pulled espresso shots here into the milk. Welcome Christiana, who will be helping me do the taste test for these 5 commercial brands that are available in the Philippines.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but these 3 are very white and they all look identical, and these 2 look identical, and it's a little bit darker than this, so it's like more yellow brown. Interesting. Okay, first one.
Arla. Emborg. Jolly Cow. Lovely name, I love it.
Yes, some more.
Jersey.
This is Jolly Cow.
That's Jolly Cow.
Oh, you're number 4 already.
Jersey. And this is Alaska. Okay, taste testing done. Now tell us your verdict.
Okay, so I would say that these 2 taste very creamy, and when I say creamy, I mean taste creamy, not texture creamy. So imagine like the coffee creamer. It tastes like it's got coffee creamer, which kind of makes sense because you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but the color is a little bit darker. And this one tastes the most like natural milk to me. This one tastes like natural milk, but very, very average natural milk. And this one is my least favorite one, just because it tastes like water, really. And I'm a big milk drinker, so I drink a lot of milk every day. Sometimes I drink up to like a liter of milk a day. So if I had to choose between the 5, which one I would commit to, I would definitely go for this one. Yeah.
I would tend to agree with her, really, because there's nothing else I could say. I mean, this brand is also my least favorite one.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite one?
I kind of like this one.
Really?
For some reason, this is not too bad. Jolly Cow. I would say I have 2 least favorites. Actually, my 2 least favorites would be this one and this one.
Yeah, between these 2, like the coffee creamer tasting milk, I would go for this one. Yeah.
Right. Okay, agreed then. So we've done the taste testing for the plain milk on their own. This time we are going to taste test with coffee. So here are equal amount of milk with ice, and we are going to pour our espresso shots onto each one of the cups, and we are going to do the taste test. Okay, shall you do the
Just
honor?
pour?
Just pour it over on top. Yep.
All the same coffee, this?
Yep, all the same coffee.
Coffee smells good.
A coffee courtesy of Barista Loft from Atok, Benguet.
Actually smells really, really good.
Smells really, really good, yeah. Wow, look at that. The color actually looks good with the coffee. This is just a single shot of espresso because it's a small cup.
Yeah, I don't like it. Like, it has a very metallic taste. No, it's really not okay. It's really not okay. Nobody ever use that, please. Okay. Like, it gets rid of I cannot taste I cannot smell the really nice smell of the coffee at all. Not even when I'm drinking it. Something is wrong there.
So I said that bad milk can ruin very good coffee. Wow.
It's terrible.
Yeah.
This one is definitely a lot smoother than the first one. Yeah. But it tastes watery for some reason.
The smell, aroma, the flavor.
This one's creamier than this one, which is interesting because this one on its own the milk is a lot creamier, but for some reason when it's mixed with coffee, this one becomes like a really nice texture. I shouldn't use the word creamier because I use it to describe like the coffee creamer of these two. Anyway. Whoa. Oh no. No. It's bitter. Ugh. Tastes like, so this one tastes like metal, this one tastes like rubber.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Right.
It's rubber.
Oh.
Okay.
Exactly the same coffee. Unbelievable how the taste change with a different milk.
I mean, this one also tastes like rubber, but it's less rubbery than this one. Like this one can almost just get away with it, but I wouldn't go back. If these are your only options, then I would go for this one.
Okay, I'm just going to summarize what we found out today. From taste testing, just the plain milk on their own, Christiana chose this one, which I completely agree. This milk is a good balance of the taste of the milk, the aroma, the texture.
Yeah.
So yes, I would go for this one. And when we added the coffee, for some reason, this brand performed the best.
Yeah, by far.
By far.
I think the other ones are a no-go.
Right. So
especially these two. So really, if you're using these two currently, try this one and see if you like it better. Because again, for me personally, this tastes metally, this tastes rubbery, and this is slightly less rubbery than this. So yeah.
If you have a coffee shop or if you offer milky drinks at home or catering for milky drinks, milky coffee drinks, then you can also get these in wholesale prices and you can cut your costs more.
Yeah.
So is it worth going the extra mile when selecting the milk? Should you pay more to get better drinks? I think the answer to that is yes. I know that a lot of you are using this, but if you can upgrade your milk a little bit more.
I mean, how much, like, if you go for a more expensive milk, like how much will it actually go up in cost?
That's about 4 pesos each cup. That means you have to spend a little bit more.
Yeah.
4 pesos per cup.
But
so,
I would rather, like, if you added 10 pesos to your price, like, I'd rather pay a bit more for good coffee. Like,
with milk.
If it's a difference between 40 pesos or 50 pesos or even like, yeah, like if that's your price range, I'd rather pay 50 and get better coffee.
Right, and you'll get your customers coming back for more.
Yeah,
right.
that's the thing.
So these are the results of our taste testing, and remember that we did this so that you don't have to. All of these are very good brands, so if you are already using this milk, do give the other brands a try. These are just 5 of the brands that I have seen are used in many of the coffee shops. There are other brands that are available commercially. There's Cowhead, there's Magnolia, there's Anchor, and to be honest, it is really my first time to try these brands, Emborg, Arla, Jolly Cow, Alaska, and also Jersey. My personal favorite whenever I go to the Philippines is to use Anchor or Cowhead. So there you go. It is not part of the taste testing today, but guaranteed those brands are very good for your drinks, especially if you're making it at home. If you have other opinions or thoughts in this subject, do let us know, comment below. And once again, thank you, Christiana, for joining us. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.